Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and we are at a place called Top Cottage, which was part of the Roosevelts, I guess. Um, there's supposed to be tours, but I don't see anybody here but my wife and I, which is different. Let me turn it around at least so you can see what we're looking at. So this is Top Cottage. This seems like the front. My wife is ringing the bell. Well, knocking the door. See if anybody shows up. I am going to peer through the window and see what I can see. And that is one dark building. One dark building. Well, let's walk around here. Oh. Side door. Dutch door. Back porch. This is nice. But there's nobody here. Which is very surprising. Lights are on. Huh. Strange. And there's not much here. I mean, the building's nice, but there's nobody here. Lights are on inside.
Rang the doorbell.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm not jumping down this side. We'll walk around. Well, there's supposed to be a burial ground around here somewhere too, but this looks pretty overgrown to me. Nice place to sit and get cool for a while. Well, this is a little disappointing. Although you can see how they had the basement with windows in it, covered up now. And I am going to walk down this way. Out of the curiosity, if this trail goes to the burial grounds. Nice view of the mountains.
But you can see right down to the Hudson when it was all cleared out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this was well, you can see why they call it Top Cottage. Now, what does this say? Top Cottage Trail, Belk Hill.
1 mile.
Yeah, I'm not hiking today.
You don't think there's a graveyard down there?
Well, we can take a look, but I don't think so. But we'll take a look. We will take a look.
Just a sec. I'll do a...
Top Cottage Trail, 1 mile. But I don't know what that means. It says FDR, Top Cottage, FDR's Retreat. That's all it says on that sign. Well, I'm just gonna... Oh, that tree's broken down. Wow. Ah. I don't know. This doesn't look like it's going to a burial site. It's just me. FDR residence, Hyde Park Explorer. Cell phone tour. Huh. Well, I don't think. That's a big tree that fell over there. I don't think there's anything down here. No, it just keeps going down.
I couldn't find a map of the ground either.
Yeah, no, it just keeps going down, and let's face it, they wouldn't go down a hill that big for burial. I don't think.
I don't understand what that means. Top's got it. Oh, FDR's retreat.
Yeah. Well.
There's a trail around here that leads to Valkill.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 0.6 of a mile.
Well, maybe that's what that is. I don't know. Well.
Let's see if we can spot anything.
Yeah. Nice house. Huh?
Supposedly there's a grave site.
Yeah. That's what I remember you saying. Sometimes they're a long ways away from the house, but not. Usually don't carry people downhill.
Well, they wouldn't want them where water would settle.
Yeah. Let's go on the other side of this. Well, we'll walk up the stone wall. I see a hole in the fence.
Yeah.
So.
Kind of look down to see if back here, the back side of the house.
Nice little woods.
Yeah.
All right. None of this landscaping is original. I wouldn't think. Some of it might be. Unless this is the grave right here. But this looks like a cistern or something. This looks like a water tank. Probably a water tank. I would think. Huh? Well, I'm thinking of like a cistern. It's concrete. Well, I don't see anything over here. Some old erratics in the ground, but that's about it. Yeah. Well, pathway here. Was. Pathway. Huh? Yeah. It looks like it goes around this way. There's that large erratic. Huh. Well, there's graves out here. I don't know where they are. This is a little disappointing. Let's go over here. Yeah. The bedrock's pretty close. Those are big erratics. Well, road at one time, but it goes into prickers, and I'm not going down through prickers. Well, this is certainly the tree line. Well, what?
It says there are no grave sites at Top Cottage.
Huh. Well, my wife just told me that she looked online, and at one time they said there was graves, and now they say there isn't. We've had a few problems with Google Maps today, not having roads, and we've had problems with Google not having some of the right information. Not sure why, but that's the way it is. Huh. Well, there it is. Top Cottage. Huh. Well, since there's no graves here, I'm glad I didn't walk all the way down to the bottom. That's got to be a cistern or something. Or it could be the septic tank. Could be. Well, I guess that's it. Thanks for the little tour, such as it is. Thank you for watching and walking along with me. Please subscribe, hit the bell, ring the bell, hit the like button. That helps with the algorithm. Tells people about the channel. So with that, have a good day.
It says here you had to make appointments, but it didn't on the website.
This is Dr. Rugenstein. Thank you for watching. I really, truly appreciate it. Please help me reach 5,000 subscribers. Have a good day.